Introducing the CL835BF Bluetooth Smart Lock. At Corporate Locksmiths, we want to bring the future of electronic security into your home. In this video, we will demonstrate the variety of ways you can unlock your smart lock. The design of this lock enables you to have a reliable, secure lock, whilst not compromising your aesthetic needs. You no longer need to worry about carrying a key. With this smart lock, you can unlock using your fingerprint. Unlock the Bluetooth lock through the TTLock app on your smartphone. Cards and fobs can easily be set up through the TTLock app to enable access. Another way to unlock the TTLock is by a customizable PIN code. With the added TTLock gateway, you can enable permanent or temporary access to other users. Thank you for watching. To find out more information or browse our product range, visit our website at ttlock.com.au.